What's going on, guys? Hayes here, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee. As you can see, I got a new ride today, thanks to my man Stanley out of Crossville, Tennessee. But hey, Stanley's not here for no reason. We got a little deal we want y'all to check out. Let's check her out here. We got an 18-foot tailgate rig. So Stanley came to us, said, guys, I'm a big NASCAR guy. I traveled all these NASCAR races. I want a badass tailgate rig to take with me. All my friends always want me to cook. So we sat down with Stanley. This is what would come up to fit him. Let's check her out here. And so it is an 18-foot trailer. We got a full roof, 4 fold-out awnings. We got LED spotlights, 1 on each corner on all the awnings. Up first here, we've got a griddle top. Now, not just our normal griddle top. He wanted a folder. Okay, so you unlatch it, fold it back. You got 2 propane burners down here, individual regulators for each burner there. Up next here, of course, y'all know the deal. We love these fryers. We've got a 6-gallon Cajun fryer. Got your regulator right here. Guys, these things are great. Nothing better while you're smoking. Smoke some chicken wings, throw them in here, crisp them up, do you some fries, hush puppies. Everything's better fried, guys. Y'all know the deal. Up next here, we got them some TMG Pits Orca coolers. Not just one, but another one on the other side we'll check out. Did do them a custom Miller's Smoking Hot Barbecue logo on there. Powder coated blue, obviously, to match this whole setup. We got a heavy duty drawer right here. Look at that. Got all your different stuff you need in there for cooking. Super heavy duty drawer here. We got more storage, guys. One thing on these trailers, you are not ever going to complain about having too much storage. So open this up, slides out. So you got your prep top right here, butcher block prep top, and a ton of storage underneath that. When you're done, just slide up out of the way. You're ready to roll. Lock that sucker back down. We've got a 48-inch TMG Santa Maria grill here. Adjustable grate height to raise it up and down. You got 2 doors that open up here. Tend your fire. Does have 2 grease traps in it as well. Keep your grease under control. And we did put 2 stabilizer jacks on the back for them. Got some wood storage back here right next to your Santa Maria grill. And hey, the bread and potatoes right here, folks. We got the Fridge 48 smoker. Now, he did get the insulated firebox on here as well as the hot box. And hey, y'all know the deal on this hot box. Oh, as you can see, we did do some cooking on this bad boy today too. But 5 sliding trays in here, 1,776 square inches of cook space, guys. That's just because we love America. That's all there is to it. So we got the hot box. Come around here to the fridge. This is our Fridge 48. Now, the Fridge 48 is TMG's #1 most popular smoker, guys, and for good reason. It's a small footprint, just cooks extremely well, very easy to maintain, and fits a lot of food. So he had to get that Fridge 48 on there. We got him a stainless steel shelf here in front of the fridge, pressed off of. Of course, you got our custom powder coated TMG Pits logo there on the fender. And you got another of your butcher block prep tables here and TMG Orca cooler. Got your other sliding tray here. Slides out, locks back in place. And then just to top all that off, said, guys, when I'm done cooking all day, I gotta be able to wash my hands. So got them hooked up here, sink, instant hot water. Guys, you gotta stay clean while you're cooking. So we got them that sink, instant hot water. One more little storage compartment right here. Throw your degreaser soap all in there, paper towels. Guys, that is Stanley's TMG tailgate rig we built for him. He's about to haul ass back home, and it's quite the setup he's got here, guys. You're gonna haul back home. We're gonna get in the shop, get started on the next one. Say, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.